Hello everyone, myself Anela Sheza, technical expert of intelex system company. So today I am here with a new section of unboxing video, and our device is FGT-100. This is a modern based advanced basic tracker device, and it's also mostly used in the four-wheelers. There are advanced technologies and features that you're gonna see when I'm explaining about the devices. So here we go to unbox FGT-100. This is how the box looks like. You have FGT-100 multifunctional premium GPS tracker. It can be used in four-wheelers. I have already told that. You can use in buses, cars, truck, with any kind of four-wheel uses. It has multi-technology, and you have optional accessories also. That's RFI, fuel sensor, and temperature sensor. So I'm gonna go into show the side of the box. We have the FGT features. So this is the platform features, that is driver analyzation, GPS tracker system, geofence, risk manager, SOS, and web applications and mobile applications. These are the features of your platform, and this is the FGT features, which is called battery protection. You have two-way communication, heat resistance, remote cutoff, door acceleration, and voice modulation. In the back, you have your EMI number and our branches. So I'm gonna unbox this box. So this is how the FGT box looks like. You have all your equipment with the very detailed catalogs. The catalog contains all kind of details of the wiring and the features. So the first equipment I'm gonna show you is the main device. This is the main device, FGT-100, and it's all signals. In back you have an inserting SIM. After inserting, you can on. There is a button over here. So when I on the button, you can see each different lights comes red, blue, and yellow once the plate will be activated. And the next equipment, the main feature, the advanced feature of this basic tracker is the two-way communication. So this is a microphone which is used by the driver to communicate the owner, and you do have an extra cable for your microphone connection to the vehicle and the device. So this is the other feature of this device. Now I'm going to take the panic button, and you're very familiar with this particular equipment. This equipment is used for emergency. If you have any emergency queries, you can click on this panic button. This will be giving an alert to your owner as well as the agent which is providing you. So this is the closing equipment with a screwdriver that you just sell to the device. The next one is a relay, which is used for the feature of engine remote cutoff or immobilization. So once you plug this to your vehicle, you will be having the feature of remote cutoff. And the last thing, which is a bunch of cables. You can see this is n number of cables are there. There are description of each cables is also written over here. So this bunch of cables is connected to your device as well as your vehicles. So this is all the equipment comes under FGT-100 device. So we'll be giving the description to buy this device over our comment box, and I hope this information is informative to you.